Hello and welcome to Sandy Max. I'm Lucia and I love spending time at the beach. Here on this channel, you will see many sandy places, clear blue waters, and gentle waves. I will show you white shores and fun boardwalks where you can relax and enjoy nature. Every video is made with care to bring you simple, warm beach vibes. I take you on a friendly journey to explore new and exciting beaches. Join our small community of beach lovers by subscribing and sharing in the joy of the coast. Let's enjoy the sun, sand, and the sea together.